We got stuff for fry bread.
Fried cornbread.
I'm totally offended.
Why? Why are you offended? Oh,
Look, I'm offended. I know him. that's my uncle. I'll put it over here so it's not with your fabric. We're having a girls' day. Lunch. We found a lonely cart in the parking lot. We're gonna take it to its home. Do you smell the smell? Well, you just walked in Hobby Lobby. Take a deep breath. Can you smell it?
I can smell it.
Y'all, we went to the bathroom for 5 minutes and left Danny alone. For 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You need to do it. Oops.
I only need 12 inches of each one. Just 12.
Oops, you did it again.
I did. I did it again.
Oh, I like this one. Looks fun. Girl, I got your video already. What?
He was playing with
Okay. Put him up. Okay. Well, come on. Don't play on the floor. Okay.
I only need 12 inches. I think 12 inches.
Charlotte, your register, please. Charlotte, to register.
I'll make sure she's not breaking it.
I don't know. I don't trust her. Or
Mom, can you see my pile?
Here you go, Sterling. I just want to sip coffee and pet my cat.
I mean creamer.
You want to sip your creamer. Okay, please stay with us. Okay.
Easy letters. You are the apple to my eye. ASMR.
Get off the floor. This is Danny.
It's so much less looking than it was.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. 1, 2.
It's only when I shop with Pam and Wendy and Kristen.
Only.
Massage.
Oh, you give me free hand massage. This is our second Walmart. Danny going in for the grab.
Because they don't have these
She
at mine.
scores.
They don't have these at mine.
Journey, come here. This is called shopping with Danny.
Show them that though. That's my girl.
How much? How much? $6.99.
$6.99 out of 44. It was $44.
Good job.
I looked at my receipt.
Give me my bag. Give me my yard Play-Doh.
Oh, it's in the back. We'll get it when we get home. This is called Shop Till You Drop. We did it.
We did. We are so tired. We've
It
been
is-
to 3 Walmarts,
2 Walmarts and a Hobby Lobby.
2 Walmarts and a Hobby Lobby, but it's 8 o'clock and we're just getting home.
Yeah. And we left at like what, 1? We've been gone for 7 hours.
Yeah.
Shop till we
We
drop.
shopped till we dropped.
We got
well,
McDonald's.
it took like 5 hours in Hobby Lobby to cut my family.
We just found a baby in the chicken coop.
Can I hold her on the table?
Oh, and
Some people use it on their hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Danny.
But you're welcome to use it if you want to.
I could get rid of my.
Yep.
That quick, I got a mosquito bite on my butt cheek.
This is better than Neutrogena. This is better than Proactive. This is better than CeraVe.
you're welcome.
My glue.
You're welcome, girlfriend.
My glowy. Did you have a good day?
I had the best day, and I held a baby chicken for the first time.
For the first time in
Get
forever.
out, spider. Get out. There's no spider back here. Get out, spider.
You got a good haul?
What are you doing? I don't want this.
Yes.
Hey guys, don't mind that. So we went live. Now it is time for bed. So thanks so much for watching. See you
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.